A real-world test from a reputable automotive publication suggests that Ford's F-150 Lightning could be the most efficient electric pickup truck in the U.S. market right now. Ford unveiled the F-150 Lightning in May 2021 before announcing more details in March 2022. The truck began mass production in April this year, and Ford started deliveries to customers the following month. It's still early days for the F-150 Lightning, but it has so far proved to be a major hit for Ford, with the company claiming to have received more than 200,000 reservations even before deliveries started. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular globally amidst soaring gas prices and rising environmental concerns. As a result, most automakers are adding new EVs to their portfolio to address the growing demand, and some, like Hyundai, are even planning to stop developing new internal combustion engines entirely and transition fully to electric in the coming decades. As for the electric pickup market, there are only 2 available vehicles in the U.S. right now apart from the F-150 Lightning, including the Hummer EV and the Rivian R1T. However, more electric pickups, including the Chevy Silverado EV and the Ram 1500e, are expected to enter the market in the coming months. A recent real-world test conducted by Edmunds has revealed critical information about the range and efficiency of the Ford F-150 Lightning. The test was performed using the top-end Platinum model with the 131 kWh extended range battery pack, and not the lower-end Pro, XLT, or Lariat models that ship with smaller battery packs and offer a lower range. Ford F-150 Lightning real-world efficiency. According to the test results, the F-150 Lightning can travel 332 miles on a single charge, which is a full 32 miles more than the EPA estimated range of 300 miles. It is also more than the 323 miles notched up by the Rivian R1T, which comes with a larger 135 kWh battery. However, it is worth noting that Rivian also offers a 181 kWh battery option with the R1T, while the 131 kWh unit is the highest Ford offers. In terms of efficiency, Edmunds calculated it to be 45.4 kWh 100 miles, which is 11% higher than the EPA estimate of 51 kWh 100 miles. What's more, it's also more than the average efficiency of the R1T, which was calculated to be at 47 kWh 100 miles. The tests suggest that the F-150 Lightning is the most efficient pickup truck in the U.S. market right now, given that the Hummer EV has an EPA estimated efficiency rating of 47 kg, which is way below the efficiency figures for both the Rivian R1T and the Ford F-150 Lightning. Source: Edmunds.